If you are wondering if we have a bloatware on Xiaomi 17T, then the answer is unfortunately yes. We have a couple of different apps that are pre-installed for us, and unfortunately there is no way to, for example, prevent that from happening. So whenever you go through initial configuration, after you are done, once you go to the home screen and open the app drawer, you will probably straight away see these apps. So we can find, for example, the AliExpress, the Amazon Music. There is also the LinkedIn, there is, let's say, this WPS Office app, and so on and so forth. And most likely, you will also find a bunch of different games, which in my case have not been installed actually, so I'm quite surprised because usually on Xiaomi smartphones you can also find a bunch of different games. Unless it's just coming, maybe it's not really downloaded just yet. But still, you can definitely find bloatware. Thankfully, you can uninstall pretty much all of these apps. Maybe not all of them, but you should be able to uninstall most of these bloatware apps. So after all, that shouldn't be too big of a deal. And that's it. Leave a like and subscribe.